why Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best for all of humanity. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed the world. But what made him the best for all of us? He stood for justice, treating everyone equally, whether rich or poor, strong or weak. I said to you, go home and read about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam tonight. If you dare, if you are not afraid of change, because if you read about Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with an open heart and open mind, there are just get love for this man and respect for this man. Will come into your life, come into your mind and your family. All people, your Lord is one and your Father is one. You all are from Adam and Adam is from dust. There is no superiority over our another, no of our another, no of a white person or a black person, no of a black person or a white person, except by rightness and piety. Thank you very much.